Hello guys, in this video I'm going to share a detailed tutorial of this beautiful trendy hairstyle with you. So let's get started. So all you need for this hairstyle includes some beads, some rubber bands, any clips, um, any styling brush. I'm using lamp box brush and some bobby pins. So first of all, what you have to do, just brush your hair and divide the hair into two parts, like two sections from front. As you can see, I'm just dividing the front section like this. After separating into two parts, you can clip the other section with clips, and you can start working on first section. So let's make first braid by dividing the front part into other two equal parts like this. I am just using styling tool or styling brush to divide the front part. Now make a braid like from front to backward. So let's start. Here you can see I am just braiding. You can make any braid if you like. I'm just doing a simple braid here, and take some hairs from both sides, first from right side and then from left side. So if you are beginner or not know much about braiding but you want to style like this, you can use some tools for braiding. There are many tools in market that you can just purchase and put in your hair, and just fold your hair as that tool, forward or backward, so you can get any type of braid. So first half braid is done. Now I'm just putting a rubber band here to tie the remaining hairs. So this part is done. Now work on the second part. Same, I'm taking some hairs from front and start making the braid just like the previous. You can check how much I am taking hair from both sides. So here I am done with the other braid, but as you can see, I will not put any rubber band here. I will go same with the end. As you can see, I'm just braiding till the end. It's not same like the first one. So here at the end, I'm just putting in another rubber band. So here I'm done with the half part. Two braids, one half braid and one full length braid. So now I will make the other section seam like this. Here, if you don't want to do braid, you can use um, any other trick. Like you can do twisting hair, you can do waterfall braid hair, and same like that. It's up to you as you want. But I am just doing same braiding like the other half. Now in second braid, take some hair from left or from right and do the same as you can see I am doing. So here both sides are done with the braiding, one half braid and one full length braid. So what to do here is I'm just taking the remaining part of first half braid. Now take any rubber band and tie the half other hair with like this after some space, but it will be similar on both sides. So just give some space to the sections and make sections like this. So here you can see you can do sectioning like this, and now I'm just fluffing hair by pulling some hairs upward and making them to look like this. You have to do same with the other half, like first sectioning with rubber bands and then pulling some hairs to make them fluffy. It will look really good. You can just do this type of fluffing hair by putting some sections, not just doing braid, just give some sections to your hair. Just fold from front and then make sections on the ponytail, so you will just ready to go. So here it is. As you can see, it's really beautiful, and it's really easy though. You can try at your home and give your suggestions in comments. um, give your feedbacks about this hairstyle. Now the last part, what you have to do, you can use any beads. I'm just using this to enhance your hairstyle. So I hope you guys like this video. If you really like this, give a huge thumbs up, and thanks for watching.